A frozen Roku TV can completely stop your screen and make the remote unresponsive. In this video, I will show you simple at-home fixes to resolve a Roku TV that is frozen, stuck, or not responding. Let's start with the simplest fix. Unplug your Roku TV directly from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. After waiting, plug the TV back into the wall and turn it on. This step alone can fix many cases where the Roku TV is frozen or not responding. If the TV is still stuck but the screen is on, you can force a restart using the remote. Take your Roku remote and press the home button 5 times, then press the up button 1 time, then press the rewind button 2 times, and after that press the fast forward button 2 times. While doing this, you may see things moving on the screen. Just ignore it and wait for the TV to restart. If you're able to move through the menu, you can restart the Roku TV from the settings. Go to the home screen, open Settings, then go to System and select System Restart. Confirm it, and the TV will restart normally. If none of those steps work, there is a physical reset option on the TV itself. Look for a small reset button on the back or bottom of your Roku TV. Press and hold that button for about 10 to 20 seconds. This should only be used as a last option when other fixes do not work. In cases where the Roku TV freezes only when opening a specific app, focus on removing that app. Highlight the app, press the star button on your remote, and choose Remove Channel. Restart the TV, and then install the app again. Another thing to check is the remote. Replace the batteries in your Roku remote and make sure it's working properly. If the remote is not responding correctly, it may need to be paired again. Finally, check the connections. Unplug the HDMI cable from the TV and plug it back in properly. You can also try changing the input to see if that helps resolve the issue. That's it for this video on fixing a frozen or unresponsive Roku TV. I hope these step-by-step fixes helped you get your Roku TV working again. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. If one of these steps worked for you, or if you're still having issues, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.